HTML. Introduction. Hypertext Markup Language is the language that powers the web in many respects. HTML is a markup language for creating web pages to display on World Wide Web. HTML defines the structure and layout of web document. It uses markup tags that allows the web browser to display the contents of web pages accordingly. History. In fact, the tags of script GML are largely taken from GML, that is General Markup Language itself. GML was the predecessors to SGML, that is Standard General Markup Language, and was developed by IBM. HTML is so basic because it's actually just a derived version of hyperlinked SGML guide. Default characteristics for every item of HTML markup are defined in the browser, and these characteristics can be altered or enhanced by the web page designer. HTML element. A web page is made up of elements, each of which is defined by an HTML code or tag. Tags are basically instructions used in a web document that instruct all web browsers to perform certain actions with the text and graphics. Web pages document have HTML commands with an extension .html. These tags are the words or phrases surrounded by the less than or greater than symbols. In HTML, there are two types of elements. 1. Container elements. 2. Empty elements. Container elements. Container elements require a starting as well as ending tags. These tags define how the matter contained within them should be formatted. Some examples are HTML, HTML, head, head, title, title, B/B. Empty elements. Empty elements require just a starting tag and not an ending tag. Some examples are BR, HR, IMG, LINK. Tip: HTML is not case-sensitive language. Description of tags. HTML will be the very first tag in your HTML file, and /HTML tag should be the very last one. This tells how the browser that everything in between those tags should be treated as an HTML page. Head tag. Anything inside the head that will not be displayed on the actual web page, it contains header information. At this point, the only head element you should know is the title, that tag which displays the text written on the browser's title bar. Tag. It should be placed outside the head tag but inside the HTML tag. The body represents that what will be displayed in the main browser's window. Most of your HTML code will be put inside this tag. Structure of HTML. HTML, head, title my first page, /head, body, welcome to my very first web page, body, HTML. Creating and saving HTML document. HTML document can be created in any text editor like Notepad or WordPad. We believe using a simple text editor is a good way to learn HTML. Step 1. To start Notepad, go to Start, All Programs, Accessories, Notepad. Step 2. Type your HTML code. Step 3. Select Save As in Notepad's File menu. When you save an HTML document, you can use either .htm or .html file extension. Viewing HTML document. To view your HTML document or web page, you need a browser. Step 1. In the web browser window, click on File menu, then an Open. Step 2. Click Browse button. A Windows Internet Explorer dialog box will appear. Step 3. Select the file and click on Open button to view inside the web browser. Appearance of text. Changing the appearance of the text means to enhance the appearance or look or style of a document. It includes how to apply the font attributes including font style, font color, and font size. Font tag. Font tag controls the font of the text. Font tag is a container tag. It has starting font as well as ending /font. It includes the three attributes viz, face, color, and size. Face attribute. The face attribute will change the style of your text. Example, Courier New, Comic Sans MS. You specify alternative fonts by separating them with commas. A browser will use the first font face you specify that is also installed on the browser's computer. If it can't find a face, the browser will use its default font. Syntax: font face is equal to font name. Type your text /font. Size attribute. Size attribute allows you to specify the size of the text. The valid font size values from range 1 to 7. The default font size is 3. Syntax: font size is equal to value. Type your text /font. Color attribute. Color attribute allows you to specify the color of the text. These 16 colors can be specified by the name in HTML or by hexadecimal color codes. The color names are case sensitive, so example, you could use either #0000FF or color is equal to blue will produce blue colored text. Syntax: font color is equal to color name. Type your text /font. Syntax: font color is equal to color name. Type your text /font. Bold. B tag is used to make your text darker than the regular text, especially for emphasis. Certain words and phrases stand out from surrounding text. It is container element. Syntax: B text /B. Italic. I tag is used to make your text right slant or tilt. Usually italic text are lighter in appearance than normal text. Syntax: I text /I. Underline. U tag is used to draw a line beneath a word or a phrase. Syntax: U text /U. Superscript. SUP tag is used to print the text at the top middle of the normal text. It is mainly used to write the dates and mathematical equations. Syntax: SUP text /SUP. Subscript. SUB tag is used to print the text below the bottom line of the text. It is mainly used to write the science equations. Syntax: SUB text /SUB. Break. This tag breaks the line and displays the text from the next line without giving any space between two lines. This tag comes under the empty tag category because it has only opening tag. Example: BR. Tip: if you want to add more than one line spacing, you can use more than one BR at the same time.